Hello guys, welcome to Pro Learning. Today we are going to learn how to convert a decimal number into an octal number. An octal number is a number which has a base of 8. Now let's see how to convert this decimal number into an octal number. To do that, first of all, we have to divide this by 8. Now let's divide 248 by 8. It will be 31 and the remainder will be 0. Now let's divide 31 by 8. It will be 3 and the remainder will be 7. Now let's divide 3 by 8. It will be 0 and the remainder will be 3. Now you have to write this number string from bottom to top. So the octal conversion of this decimal 248 will be 370 base 8. I will quickly explain that again. Our decimal number 248 will be divided by 8. It will be 31 and the remainder will be 0. And then we divide 31 by 8. It will be 3 and the remainder will be 7. And then we divide 3 by 8. It will be 0 and the remainder will be 3. So the octal conversion of 248 will be 370 base 8. Now let's take another example. 177 divided by 8. It will be 22 and the remainder will be 1. And then we divide 22 by 8. It will be 2 and the remainder will be 6. Then we divide 2 by 8. It will be 0 and the remainder will be 2. Then we write from bottom to top. So the octal conversion of 177 will be 261 base 8. Thank you guys for watching my video and subscribe me for more content.